Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Snehadhar, along with the student of class 8 and 9, stand before you to present a morning assembly on the theme Perseverance. Let us start this auspicious day with a morning prayer followed by the plays by Manisha Gwala. Good morning, everyone. Everyone is requested to join their hands, close their eyes, and get ready for the morning prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasme Shri Gurude Namah, Tasme Shri Gurude Namah. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The whole wide world around, the whole wide world around, the whole wide world around someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Good morning, everyone. Ready for the pledge? Studies are the goals of our life. We are only student and being it. Our aim is to be a better citizen of our country. We must follow the rules and discipline of our school. Thank you. I request all the captains to check the nails of students. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Good habits are important part of our life. So I request Manisha Gwala to deliver a speech on good habits. Good morning, everyone. Good habits develop good manners in an individual. A person with good habits get respect from all. So, I, Manisha Gwala, will present some good habits for our daily life. And they are: we should always wake up early in the morning and going to bed on time. We should brush our teeth immediately after waking up and before going to bed. We should take we must take a bath every day and pray to God daily after bathing. We must say thank you whenever we receive from something to anyone. We must say please while requesting for something to others. Thank you. A new morning is a new beginning and a new hope. We all need to give full effort and have the perseverance to achieve our goals, and there is not any shortcut to achieving success. A small positive thought can change our whole day. Starting a day with positive thought and discipline can change our life. Therefore, to present the thought of the day, we have Nikunja Moni. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought for the day is give a try, give a shot. Sometimes you must not only expect the way to be too clear, strike when you can. Doing mistakes is as much a part of life as avoiding them. You may not get a second chance to do the same mistakes. So go on, give it a shot. Thank you and have a nice day. An inspiring poem can change our outlook on life. Hence, we have Divya with a beautiful poem.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to recite a poem named Try, written by Majid Kagi. Try, don't give up, don't be shy, don't lose the hope, but always try. Be quiet and be happy, don't be sad, don't cry. Just like the bird, freely and happily fly from place to place, from low to high, high in the sky. That it is a truth, it is never a lie. In this way, hope will never die. Eyes will forever be dry. Search and look for happiness, which forever will buy. Try and don't be shy. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya. Now I call upon Munmi Boro to read the news headlines of today's newspaper. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to read the news headlines of the Sentinel. G20 holds first SWAG meet. CM war against child marriage from today. Education, self-employment and needy will get priority. Guwahati is reflective of India's pro-balance people-centric approach. Mixed day for Assam on opening day. 71 senior national volleyball. Confident India began competition against Bhutan. Thank you. Thank you, Munmi. Now I request Upasana to ask some quiz question to enrich our knowledge.
Good morning, everyone. I am Upasna here with some quiz questions. My first question goes to class 6. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? Yes, the correct answer is 5th June. My second question goes to class 7. Which wildlife sanctuary is called Mini Kaziranga? Yes, the correct answer is Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary. My third question goes to class 8. On which day is celebrated as National Science Day? Yes, the correct answer is 20th February. My fourth question goes to class 9. On which day is celebrated as National Mathematics Day? Yes, the correct answer is 22nd December. Thank you.
Thank you, Upasana. Recalling multiplication tables improves memory skill. So I call upon Kisan Jyoti to present the multiplication table of 18.
Good morning to all. I will read the multiplication table of 18 and all of you repeat after me. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 six are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 162, 18 tens are 180. Thank you.
Thank you, Kisan Jyoti. Now we have a motivational speech by Gitanjali Mahananda on the topic perseverance.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Gitanjali Mahananda, stand before you to speak a few lines on try again. This saying teaches us that we should not lose heart in our failure. No doubt, failure is frightening and disheartening. Sometimes our frustration in failure is so great that we accept defeat and stop trying again. But this is not a healthy attitude towards in failure. We should try to find the cause of our failure. After removing that cause, we should try again. If we don't try again, we remain defeated in life. We have to go through many failures or problems. We must never give up. We must keep trying till and achieve the goal. Sometimes things may not go our way, or maybe the problems are too hard to face, but we must get her courage to fight against it. We may not succeed in first trial way, but if we keep on working hard, we can surely achieve the goal or destination. We should march forward with strong determination, achieve a goal. We should march that perseverance together hard work bring a good result. So we should try and try. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Gitanjali. Now I request Krishna, Nikunjamani, Sneha, Upasana to present a beautiful song. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere should make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We are saving our own life. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me.
Now I request Anurag to give command for PT.
Order, Sergeant! Exercise number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus, some. Exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus, some. Order, prism! Order, Samlan! Ready for the next and come.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात गंगा उत्कल गंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि गंगा कब सुबह में जागे कब सुभाषिष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Order, prism!
This is the time to wrap up today's morning assembly. Stay healthy and be nice. We promise to return with a new ideas, new thinking, and better performance. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.